Hi there. Today we're going to assemble the Quietfire flag book. This is a really sweet little book that you're going to love when you get it made. So the first thing we're going to do is take the two long rectangles of paper and we're going to fold them along the perforated score lines and burnish them down with your bone folder to make good creases. And then because this is a longer book, we have to overlap two of the panels, and you want to make sure that when you assemble it that you get a mountain valley accordion, and you have the two covers, one at the front and one at the back, and you can give the whole thing an extra burnish. Then we're going to take the flags and we're going to assemble all the embellishments on those. This one is the Easter flag book. And if you've got like the little bunny and his eye isn't all poked out, well, just take an awl or a pokey tool or something and finish the cut. So you'll see that not all the flags are the same size. That's to make it more interesting. The bottom ones are a little wider. Put all the embellishments on before you assemble the book. Then what you're going to do is take some of these smaller flags, like the purple ones here, and you're going to draw a little line. You're going to line up the flag with the top edge of the book, and you're going to draw a line where the flag ends because you don't want to add adhesive in the wrong places. So you're going to put adhesive on the leading edge of each of the mountains. Just make sure they line up and make sure that you don't cover up the fold. You want this to be able to fold nicely. And then you're going to put, again, on the leading edge of the mountain, you're going to put the larger flags, and these ones are going to align with the bottom edge of the book. And apply the adhesive. You can use whatever adhesive you want. Really, the stronger the better. And again, just check and make sure that the folds are still in good shape. And then the last flags go on the other side of the mountain fold. And you don't have to mark those off because it's pretty obvious where they go. So make sure your adhesive is on the other side of the mountain fold and press down the rest of the flags. And then you have this very cool, oh, no, don't need that butterfly right now. Very cool flag book. Now there's lots of room for little photos, little memories, rubber stamps. Now because this book, depending on how much you put in it, kind of wants to spring apart, let's put a little girdle on it to keep it closed when it's not being looked at. And I haven't put any score lines in this because it depends on how much you put inside the book where it will want to fold, and it doesn't have to have a sharp fold at all. So you just have to measure off where you want that overlap to happen, apply adhesive, and wrap it around the book again. And give it a little bit of wiggle room so that it can slide off easily. And then it'll open up and nice! There's our little accordion flag book. I hope you enjoyed this project. You can find the design in my Silhouette store, and the information will be in the description below. Thanks for joining me. I hope you enjoyed this project, and we'll see you next time. Thanks for watching.